G'day guys, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's September 30, 2023. This is the NIKKEI market update. On the daily chart, first off, you can see here the price has been fluctuating sideways for a number of months. We did draw this Fibonacci range here. It's been going around the 38, between the 23 and the 38% level, and touching the 50% level at that point there. Now this is currently around the 38% level, and it's approaching the 50% level, which happens to also coincide with this trend line which we drew some time ago. And I like keeping those trend lines in there, although it looks a bit busy for such reasons. So it may well bounce off that possibly, and if it breaks below that, we're going to see it then eventually break towards this 61% level. You can see there on the CCI, it's still declining. It's gone past the midpoint, or it's coming towards the midpoint there, the zero. And it's declining from the overbought territory, so still a weakening sign. And on the Stochastic, likewise, in the overbought and starting to weaken as well, coming towards the 70 mark level. Now on the this oscillator down here as well, that's also starting to weaken and become lower. So just to understand how to trade that or program that, look at the description, links in the description below to get more insight into that. On the hourly chart, again, we've got some Fibonacci's here, and I'll just explain where we are at the moment. First off, back here, we did draw this Fibonacci range here, and it did eventually, since our last video, it bounced off that, and it broke through that 61% level. And we always say when it breaks through the 61% level, that's some area to look out for further declines, and it's done that. So I'll just remove that to make it a bit cleaner. And where we are today is between this Fibonacci range. We're projecting a bounce off this support at 31,665, and that's because of this bullish divergence on the CCI versus the decline in the price. Now we're expecting it to hit this 23-38% level. If it continues and bounces up from there. Otherwise, to invalidate this, we need to see the CCI fall below that point to invalidate that, and by that stage we'll see the price collapse as well. So again, the CCI is moving to the upside on the hourly, but on the Stochastic, it's less of an indicator for us, but we still consider it. It's fallen down and broken down through to the oversold territory, and potentially it looks like it may retrace to the upside as well. So that's where we are at the moment. So to understand how to trade using some trend trading strategies, subscribe and support us on the Patreon page, where we also look at weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.